We are here at the world-famous Delmonico restaurant. Compliments of Crosse and Blackwell, where they have a long list of quality products, but executive chef Billy Oliva is going to show us how to make some really great burgers and amazing red snapper that we can simply make at home. So why wait? Come on, let's go. We are in the kitchen with executive chef Billy Oliva.
How are you? Welcome to Delmonico.
Thank you. So, what do we got here today?
So we're going to be doing two dishes today. The first one we're going to start with is a pan-roasted snapper with an herb couscous using Crosse and Blackwell capers. And then the second dish we're going to do is a surf and turf burger. And we're going to use a little Crosse and Blackwell cocktail sauce. So we'll get started with our snapper.
Let's go.
We season both sides. Our pan is getting hot. So we're going to slide over here to our flour. We're going to use a little oil. So we're going to add our fish to the pan, and I'm going to pull it off the heat just a little bit so it doesn't get too hot. And now we're actually going to stick this pan right into the oven. So while that's cooking, now we're going to start our couscous. We're going to start with a little bit of garlic. So we have two different types of garlic we're going to use. This is sliced garlic. There. Now we're going to take a little bit of spring garlic, and then we're going to take a little bit of red and yellow diced peppers. We're going to add those. We're gonna season it a little bit. We kind of always season as we go. A little salt, a little fresh pepper. Then we're gonna add our couscous, a little stock. We want to warm the couscous through, and then we're gonna finish it with our herbs, a little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of butter, and some baby spinach at the very end. It's light for the summertime, it's easy. And now we'll do our pan sauce for the fish. We're going to use the same pan to make the sauce. So for this, we're going to start just a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. We're going to add some garlic to this one. Add a little spring garlic, some tomatoes. And the tomatoes have been blanched, skinned, and just diced up. Now we're going to add some of our Crosse and Blackwell capers. So this is a little bit of white wine. This is Sauvignon Blanc that we're going to add. It's going to... And we want to add that, and we're going to let it cook just for a second. Just to kind of cook off the alcohol and get that raw alcohol flavor out of there. Then the same herbs that we used in our couscous, a little bit will go into the sauce. And one last ingredient is going to be our green olives. Again, a squeeze of fresh lemon. And then the last thing we're going to do is add some soft, fresh butter to it. And then once we do that, the sauce is going to come off the fire. And that's it. Now we can plate up. And we're going to use a ring mold today for our snapper dish. So we're going to start with the couscous going down into the ring mold. We're going to go about halfway. We cut our snapper in half, basically just for presentation. And the sauce, we have the caper, olive, tomato, pan sauce.
We have Crosse and Blackwell cocktail sauce. Which I know this is going to be great.
And we're going to work that into our burger, and we're going to make a little quick mayonnaise-based sauce using this again. It's going to complement our surf and turf burger. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start mixing our burgers. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the Crosse and Blackwell cocktail sauce.
Blackwell cocktail sauce.
And we're going to add some of that. You can mix the burgers, and I'll add the ingredients. So we'll add just a little bit more. We don't want to overpower the burger. So normally you would use cocktail sauce with cold shrimp, and you just dip the shrimp into it. Here we wanted to use it. We're going to serve grilled shrimp on our burger, so we wanted to spice up the burger and use the cocktail sauce more than just a condiment. We're actually going to use it as an ingredient in the burger.
Perfect. So will that complement the shrimp?
Oh, it should definitely complement the shrimp. The horseradish, the Worcestershire, the tomato. We're gonna add a little bit of white onion, a little bit of scallion, a little bit of parsley, a little chives, just for our chopped meat.
So this seems very easy.
Yeah, this is a pretty easy one. You know, if you're gonna grill in the summer, you don't want to take up too much time, and you know these sauces and stuff are already done. They're pretty easy to use. This way, you're not in the kitchen all day long.
Out and enjoying that barbecue.
Exactly.
Yeah.
A little salt, and now we can start making our hamburger patties. So I don't know how big you like your burgers, but I'm gonna leave that up to you. Just start.
All right, let's start making the patties. So now, when you cook the burger, will it get smaller?
It's gonna shrink a little bit.
A little
Yeah.
bit, okay.
We wanna kind of try and make it nice and even. All right, they look good. We'll start with those two. Now we'll make a little bit of a little kind of sauce for the burgers.
And this is based in what?
This is a mayonnaise base.
Okay.
And we're just gonna add real simple little Crosse and Blackwell cocktail sauce.
Beautiful.
A little parsley, a little salt, pepper, a little lemon. And we'll just use that as our secret sauce for our burger, surf and
Secret
turf
sauce.
burgers.
You got that right. The secret sauce.
Add just a little bit more.
Just a little more secret sauce there. The Crosse and Blackwell cocktail sauce.
And now we have some shrimp that had just been marinated in basically the same herbs that we used for the burger.
Okay. These burgers look amazing. I mean, did you get to witness this?
Yeah, I was actually behind the scenes watching all you guys throw down in the kitchen. And I was really impressed with what he did with the cocktail sauce, actually.
Did you see that? He kind of incorporated into the meat, mixed it up with herbs.
I would have never thought that it could be mixed with ground beef, but because it's paired with the shrimp, it sounds amazing. But as well, just having the tomato and the horseradish, it's gotta be great. I can't wait to taste it.
Me neither. I mean, it looks like a monster.
I think we're gonna need a fork and a knife for this guy.
I do believe so. Listen.
And what a great job you did creating these patties too. High five.
All right.
Very good.
I will high five to that now.
So let's see, Crosse and Blackwell surf and turf burger.
Surf and turf, here we come. Let's do it.
I'm gonna do the fork and knife so I can be, ladylike.
All right. Yeah, I'll probably just dive head first into this thing. Like,
Go for it.
really? All right. I have to tell you, like, when it comes to burgers, I'm the man you want to talk to about this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy selections from the full line of Crosse and Blackwell products. They're the perfect addition to any recipe.